Hello, this is Mrs. Kundra for IELTS Without Effort. See, you people have been demanding that ma'am reading and headings. I will give you quick tips, at least I think 9 or 10 of them, only for the headings. And you will be able to do them in a jiffy. Now, the first thing is, the first mantra is, whenever you are seeing any passage, just try to do the headings first. That is the first tip. And you must, the second tip, read the headings carefully. Yes, and underline the keywords. If you do that, what is there? The tip is, and the trick is, you already know what the writer wants to say in these passages, in the whole passage. That is why I'm saying, do it first. Cambridge has done half of the work for you, because if you read the headlines, you'll come to know what is in the passage. They have summarized it. Okay? Now, the third tip, that read the first two lines and the last two lines. This is called the head and tail method. I'll tell you why. Generally, what do the writers do? वो क्या करते हैं? वो पहले आपको फर्स्ट टू लाइन्स में what they are going to describe वो दे देते हैं. अगर वो नहीं देते हैं, then they will summarize in the last two lines or one line. अब ये बेटा आपको प्रैक्टिस से आएगा, है ना? कई बार आपको नहीं भी पता लगता. सो फर्स्ट एंड द लास्ट लाइन से आप ढूंढें कि what the writer wants to say in the paragraph, and then you can match. Or you can say one thing more, read the paragraphs all together. Headings आपको already पता है. I'll tell you why. This is a very good method. This is a fourth tip. तो आपके suppose 9 headings हैं और 8 paragraphs हैं. So if you do like this, क्योंकि headings आपको अच्छी तरह से मालूम है, from all the 8 passages जो given है, आपके suppose 4 आपको पता लग जाते हैं with head and tail method, या फिर आपको you have read the passage carefully and you are able to do at least 4. This much you can do. Now, what about the 4? What you will do with the rest 4 is, now you have only left with 4 passages and 5 questions. So you can read the passage again, head or tail, whatever is convenient to you. वो आपको method खुद devise करना है. देखो बेटा, रीडिंग आपको कोई सिखा नहीं सकता. कोई क्या ट्रिक से करता है तो कोई क्या ट्रिक से करता है. इफ द यूट्यूबर्स आर सेइंग, मोस्ट ऑफ देम आर सेइंग ये करो तो आपको आ जाएगा. नहीं, आपको अपना मेथड डेवलप करना है. मैं तो आपको सिर्फ ट्रिक्स एंड टिप्स दे रही हूँ कि सारा पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है. सो नाउ दीज 4 passages and read them, and then you may be able to match at least 2 of them, right? And now 2 left. मतलब 2 तो हो ही जाते हैं, मे बी 3 हो जाए, मे बी सारे हो जाए. चलो, we say 2 done and 2 left, है ना? 2 हो गए. अब 2 का क्या करना है? But you should be very sure about these 2. Naturally, out of 4, 2 will be sure, and then 2 obviously you will make a guess, क्योंकि negative marking कोई नहीं होती. So I hope this video helps you to do the headings, and let me see in the comments that whether you will have achieved a success by doing this method.